Did you know that there was teas that you could use to grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong? Coming up in today's video, I show you a range of teas that you could drink or even use on your hair topically to grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong. Let's get into today's video. Welcome and welcome back to Simply Shev, where we talk about all things natural hair, including my own natural hair journey, styling ideas, DIYs and so much more to help you grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong. So yes, as said in the introduction, there are teas that you can use on your natural hair, you could actually drink to grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong. So I'm going to present a range of teas for you. Maybe you've got some of these teas and you didn't know that they had these benefits. Maybe these teas are something that you want to try or pick up in your next supermarket shop. So come on, let's talk about all of these teas. The very first tea we'll look at is green tea. No stranger to the hair growing list. It's one of my favorite teas to drink just when I need a mood booster, pick up, and we know the great benefits of green tea for giving us extra energy. But did you also know that it could also be used to grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong? So green tea has been used for centuries and it's very popular, and it's sort of like a cure-all. A lot of people say that green tea can do this and it can do that, and it'd be no surprising that to you that it can actually help to grow your natural hair. So one of the main benefits of green tea is that it stops hair fall. It's particularly useful for hormonal related hair loss. So next time you see green tea, pick it up. It also supports hair growth and hair regrowth. It also improves the amount of nutrients that's delivered to your hair follicles. And so it's really a great tea to help to grow your natural hair. Green tea to grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong. The next tea on the list is sage, and sage is also really famous for helping to darken your hair. So if you want to make your hair just like a shade darker, sage is a great tea to help you to do that. It's one of those herbs that can help to solve the problem of grey hair that some people might have, and it's very popular. It's a very popular natural remedy. It won't give you a dramatic effect, so it's not going to change your hair to a drastic color, but it does give you that subtle change. And it's also got a lot of medicinal properties. It's good for your garden, to have in your garden, just to help the smell, help to brighten your mood, and that also helps to grow your natural hair, because if you are less stressed, it will help to grow your hair. Sage contains natural pigments that help to stain the hair, and is rich in antitoxins that help to reduce the formation of new growth, and it's also highly beneficial for alopecia. So it helps to grow your natural hair because it also prevents thinning and alopecia. You could also use sage as a spritz, so topically on your hair. Just fill your spray bottle, you make a cup of tea of it, and then also cool it down, and has a lightweight leave-in spray on your hairs. All natural ingredients will help to restore lost moisture to your hair, tame frizz, and will leave your hair feeling really soft, smoother. And obviously that's what we want, especially us high porosity girls that's got our cuticles lifted. Sage can help to reduce that. It also works well for detangling your hair, so you could also use sage as a detangler. Finally, you can also use sage as a tonic for your scalp. We also know that we need to feed our scalp, make sure that it's got the right nutrients, and the ground for growing our natural hair is our scalp. So you could use sage as a tonic for your scalp to help to feed your hair follicles. Massaging your scalp with the hair tonic will encourage your hair to grow and grow again. Right, so our next herbal tea is rosemary, and rosemary is a herb that I love to have in my garden. I love gardening, and I have rosemary in my garden just to take a few of the leaves, just to crush them, and just to smell it. Obviously, it's wonderful in cooking, so you can have it in your food. You could also have it as a tea, and you could also use rosemary topically on your hair to grow it long, healthy and strong. So the benefits of rosemary are well known. It's helping to grow your hair. It can also cleanse your hair. It can also add shine to your hair and solve some of your scalp issues. It's very common and easily accessible herb. As I said, you can grow it yourself. I grow it myself, and it's green in appearance and it's lovely. The smell, I think, is lovely, but you might find the smell a bit high. If you do, you can always mask it with other sort of, if you're going to use it topically, you can mask it with essential oils, other essential oils. So it stimulates and improves the circulation to the scalp, encouraging growth. Its antibacterial properties helps to cleanse your hair, and it relieves irritation, especially for someone like myself who has problems with their scalp. It's really helping to relieve the dryness and the flakes in my hair. And I'll also share with you a rosemary spritz Do check out my DIY playlist for doing it yourself, making your own hair recipes, and I do have rosemary hair recipes in there. But you could also drink rosemary as a tea, a quick way to get it in so that it benefits your whole body and not just your hair. So you can also have it as an essential oil to also just put the oil on your scalp. Just mix it in with your favorite oil. For me, I use olive oil on my scalp and I add my rosemary to it. Once again, rosemary is one of those DIY recipes that's very, very easy. As a tea, it's very easy to draw. As an oil, it's very easy to make. So next time, and you probably do already have rosemary in your kitchen, it is useful for growing your natural hair long, healthy and strong. So try some of the recipes on my channel. I will be sharing more rosemary related hair growth recipes for you to try. The next one is eucalyptus, and if you're from the Caribbean like myself from Jamaica, you'll know all about eucalyptus and its a great benefits just for overall health. And once again, it's a great herb that you can actually use on your natural hair. It's famous the world over. It's used in essential oils. It can be used as a tea and in many, many forms. One of the great things about eucalyptus is that it's great for dandruff prone skin. Obviously, when we're in somewhere where like the UK, where the weather changes and our skin reacts to that, eucalyptus is a great tea, great oil to help us combat some of those changes. And it's associated with especially relieving the scalp, helping to treat dandruff, promoting hair growth, and also relieving your hair from the damage of being in the sun. So it's a great tea, great oil, great spritz to use on your hair for when the seasons are changing. So eucalyptus is great antibacterial, antifungal properties means that it will clear your scalp up, create an environment to grow your natural hair longer. When your scalp stays clean, healthy, unhindered, your growth can come, your hair can come through with no problems. It promotes blood circulation, which gives you longer hair as well. We know that we should be massaging our scalps, so massaging it with some eucalyptus and also drinking eucalyptus also helps. So adding it in any way we can to our environment. Once again, do check out my DIY playlist for growing your natural hair long, healthy and strong. Also do check out my how to grow your natural hair in 2022, as well as all my hair growth playlists on this channel. This channel is specifically created to help you to grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong, especially if you've never had long hair. So subscribe to this channel. I will be presenting a lot of information on how to grow your natural hair, and you can grow along with me. I'm on a journey to grow my hair to waist length. At the moment, we are doing few challenges to help us along the way. So do go ahead and subscribe. It will really mean a lot to this channel. Give this video a like and leave a comment. Have you tried any of these teas? Which one is your favorite? My favorite is also coming up. And if any of these is your favorite, just put it down below in the comments. Leave me just an emoji. If you're just loving the comments, if you're just loving the content, just put a love, an emoji love, and that will really help this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Well, chamomile is my absolute favorite tea. It's always in my house. If you come to my house, there's always chamomile tea. It's a great herb to help to calm you down. And a lot of us have high stressed lives and we just need that calming effect. Chamomile tea is something that I always reach to before I go to bed, and it's absolutely great. So chamomile tea reduces dandruff, as I said before. It lightens your hair and it also promotes growth because of the vitamins that it contains and work together. It's great for growing your natural hair. We talked earlier about sage darkening your hair if you needed to take your hair probably a shade darker. Well, chamomile tea does the opposite. Chamomile tea actually lightens your hair. If you want your hair to just look a little bit lighter, you can reach for chamomile tea. Benefit overall health, so it helps to prevent split ends. You could also obviously use it as a spritz for your hair. It helps to soothe your hair, nourish your scalp, nourish your hair, preventing dryness and brittle ends, giving you stronger, healthier hair that is less likely to break off. So I hope you've enjoyed today's list of teas. Do go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.